What's going on, guys? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins back at it again with another video. We're looking at ticker SPY on the 180-day chart over here. You can see that we had that nice little push up, big drop after yesterday's commotion. You can see that we're trying to push up and remain bullish. Main thing we want to see on the SPY, we want to see that break of 376 over here. Once we break that 376, I believe we can start pushing up towards that 380. And if we break this trade line from 373, we could start dropping down towards that 372 and maybe a little bit lower. So that's my outlook for the SPY. A few stocks running today. We're going to watch Plug. Plug is pushing up nicely this morning. Definitely want to watch that. It seems that 45 is some type of resistance. We're a little bit overbought. So if we break that 45, we could probably squeeze up towards 50. If not, we want to drop back down towards that 20-day chart. I believe if we break 40, we could start dropping down towards 37. Next one I want to watch is NEO. So NEO's running up with Tesla. Tesla's up pretty nicely, but we'll talk about that a little bit later on. You can see that NEO's pushing up pretty nice. She still has that resistance at 55, so definitely want to be cautious as it gets into this choppy area over here. If we break 55, I believe there's no problem. We could retest that 58, and if we basically show some type of weakness on that break of 51, we could start dropping down towards 49. So next one I want to watch is actually Twitter. They banned President Trump, so definitely you see that the stock's pretty much selling off. It's pretty much going flat yesterday, and we're having a nice sell-off right now. So definitely want to watch it for the break of 51 towards 50, maybe even test that SMA at 49. And if we start to get bullish, I want to see it hold above 43.66, and then we can start pushing up towards that 56 area. Next one I want to watch is actually, this one is actually a call out from one of our students, Simula. Definitely a nice one on the uptrend over here. We got that crossover looking good. I think above 234, she could start pushing up towards that 247 area in which she was trading in before, kind of like a gap fill pattern. And if she shows some type of weakness on the break of 227 down towards 220 on square. So next one, another call out by Simula as well. We can see that the SMA on Walmart over here is acting as some type of resistance. So we kind of want to wait for it to get above that to confirm that upward trend. Above that 148, I believe we can start pushing up towards that 150 area. And then if we break that 146, we can start dropping down towards that 144. Next one I want to look at is actually Square. So a lot of commotion, a lot of stocks moving with these news going on today. So definitely want to watch a few stocks. 234 over here is acting as some type of resistance. So wait for that 234.30 to be broken. Then we can start pushing up towards that 247, a little bit higher from there. I think we just went over that one. So next one, call out from Omar. Roku. So Roku's pushing up pretty nicely at 350, up towards that 363. And then if we break that 340, I believe we could start dropping down towards 319. So you can see that's trying to push up right now. So definitely want to watch Roku. Next one we want to watch is actually Boeing. Another call out from Captain Major in the group chat. So Boeing, you can see it had that nice drop. It's on a descending pattern right now. It's trying to basically double bounce, as you can see over here. One thing I don't like, it's below that SMA line. So when it's below that SMA line, like we dropped in that video, check the link in the description of our Instagram page. We dropped the video on this SMA line. So this SMA line has acted as support before, so we could expect it to act as resistance on as the stock is basically below it. So definitely want to be cautious with that as well too. I believe if we get above 218, we can start pushing up towards 226. And then if we start basically breaking the support around like 210, we could possibly retest that 200 level. So nice one to watch. I think this should have a nice movement in the upcoming days. And then last one, we called out Tesla. So Tesla was, I believe, was sitting around like the 750 mark yesterday. I said if she breaks 750, she could push up to 780. You can see that we're pushing up there. RSI is overbought on Tesla, but you know Tesla moves overbought anyways. So if we break that 781, I believe we could have no problem pushing up towards that 780. And then basically, if we break 781, I think we could push up towards that 800 mark. Sorry about that. And then let's jump over to the 20-day chart, get a little bit of a closer image. I think if we break that 772, we could start dropping down towards that 753. So that 781 towards 800 and then 772 towards that 750. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Remember, if you want to join our Discord group, where we're not going to be doing these videos for too long, so definitely want to get into our Discord group where I give this information all the time, daily, Monday through Friday before market opens, in our Discord chat room. There's a link in our description in our Instagram page, so you guys could join our monthly Discord. And then we'll see you in the next video. Later.